Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you recently activated service and want to set up voicemail on Cricket Wireless, do not worry because the process is usually much easier than many people expect. Sometimes people try calling voicemail but get confused by setup instructions, while other times the voicemail feature seems available but no greeting has been created yet. Since voicemail on Cricket Wireless helps you receive missed call messages when you cannot answer your phone, learning the setup process can make everything feel much smoother. The best part is that once setup finishes correctly, your Cricket Wireless voicemail should be ready to receive messages without much trouble. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to set up voicemail on Cricket Wireless. Try these. Step 1. Open the phone app on the phone using Cricket Wireless before starting voicemail setup. Step 2. Press and hold the voicemail key or dial voicemail using the phone connected to Cricket Wireless. Step 3. Create a passcode on the phone using Cricket Wireless voicemail when setup instructions appear. Step 4. Record a greeting through the phone using Cricket Wireless voicemail if customization is preferred. Step 5. Review voicemail settings on the phone connected to Cricket Wireless and confirm setup saves properly. Step 6. Test the phone using Cricket Wireless voicemail by leaving a message and confirming it works normally.